by Cutie Pie. Today's topic is how to make your room aesthetic. So let's start it. Do light color in your room. Buy plant for your room. You can skip it, but it will make your room more aesthetic. Decor your room with fake vine plus light. Buy wall poster. You can also print out it like this. Buy unique shape of pillow. Buy unique shape of table lamp. This one you also skip it. Buy cute rug like this. Buy this types of elements. You can also make it from YouTube. Add long mirror in your room like this. Buy aesthetic candles. You can also buy normal first. Then from YouTube, you make it aesthetic. This idea is very useful. Buy aesthetic calendar or make it from YouTube. Buy this types of clocks or skip it, no problem. Add LED light in your room. Don't skip it because this is the only things that make your room more and more aesthetic. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and subscribe. For more video, love y'all. Bye.